We're beginning in mountain pose, Tadasana. So coming to stand either at the front or the middle of your mat. Take a deep breath, sending it all the way down to your feet. Notice if you're leaning more to one side or the other. Noticing what it's like for your body to sustain just enough effort to keep your body upright. Take one more big inhale. This time raise the arms up overhead. And exhale, come into a forward fold. Heel toe your feet apart from each other so that they are as wide as the yoga mat. Keep a generous bend in the knees. If your hands don't reach the floor, that's totally fine. Just rest your hands on your ankles or the tops of your knees. And then find a gentle swaying motion left to right. Bending one knee. Bending the other. Just allowing for some organic movement. Make this your own. Just doing whatever feels good and right for you in this pose. Relax your hands back down to your knees or the floor and heel toe the feet together. Place the right hand either flat or resting up on the fingertips right underneath your face on the yoga mat. And as you inhale, rotate your body to the left, extending the left arm up to the sky. Straighten the left leg and bend through the right. Take another breath in, and as you exhale, lower the arm down, changing sides. Placing the left hand on the mat right under your face, either keeping the palm flat or coming up on the fingertips. And as you inhale, twist open to the right, extending the arm up to the sky, bending through the left leg and straightening through the right leg. With your next exhale, release the posture, both arms down. Inhale to lift halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale to come into your forward fold. Plant the hands on the ground as you step both feet back into downward facing dog. Take a moment to pedal out the feet. Shake the head a little yes to self-love and positivity. Shake the head a little no to any hate or negativity. Keep actively pushing the floor away. inhale as you float the left leg up high. Step the left foot up between the hands, lowering the back knee, coming into low lunge. Now the active part of this is going to be in the front leg. So relax the right side of your body as much as you can to feel a stretch through the front of the hip. Bring both hands to rest on the knee. Reach the right arm up overhead, leaning the body to the left. And exhale, lower the hands back down to frame the front foot. Curl the back toes under to lift the knee and journey back into your downward facing dog. Lengthen through the spine as much as you can. Lift the heels to find a wave. Roll your body forward to high plank. Take your chaturanga. Lower all the way to the belly. Rest your fingertips just past the top corners of the mat as you inhale and straighten the arms, lifting the head and chest for a baby cobra. Exhale to lower the head and chest all the way back down. Slide the hands in line with the rib cage, and push-up or assisted push-up lifts you up back to downward facing dog. Push the floor away as you float the right leg up high and back, three-legged dog. And then exhale as you step the foot up between the hands, lower the back knee, finding low lunge on the other side. The effort of this posture is in the front leg, so let the front leg power this posture as you try to relax through the left side of the body as much as you can. Bring both hands to rest on top of the knee. And then float the left arm up high overhead, leaning over to the right. Take one more inhale, and as you exhale, lower both hands down to frame the front foot. And step it back into downward facing dog. Deepen your breath here. Push the floor away. Bring yourself into a high plank. Rotate both heels over to the right side of the mat as you shift your weight into the right hand and come into a side plank. Option to lower the bottom leg so that you're in a gate pose variation. Extend the left arm up to the sky. And notice what your breath is doing here to support this posture. Bring your body back around, returning to high plank and lower down through chaturanga. This time pushing up for cobra. Take a big breath in and exhale. Send your body back to high plank. Rotate both heels on over to the left side of the mat as you shift your weight into the bottom hand and extend the right arm up to the sky for plank on the other side, or side plank on the other side. Option to lower the bottom leg for a gate pose variation. Otherwise, stacking one leg right on top of the other for Savasana. Bring the right hand back down to the mat, returning to downward facing dog. Connect with your breathing. Step the right foot up between the hands. Pivot the back heel down and start to walk your hands around to the left side of the mat, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. You can keep a soft bend in the knees if you need to. If your hands don't reach the ground, then consider doing this with a chair in front of you or using some blocks. Coming to flat back, plant the left hand flat on the ground right below your face, and inhale as you twist open to the right, extending the arm up to the sky. With your exhale, lower the arm down, changing sides. With your next exhale, lower both arms down to the ground. And shift your weight into the left foot. Coming into Skandasana or side lunge. Any variation you want to do here is fine. You can have the heel lifted, or you can keep your hips just a little higher. Lower the hands to the ground and walk them on over to the other foot, shifting weight into the right foot, Skandasana on the other side. Return to your wide-legged forward fold. Any variation you want to do here is fine. Walk the hands back towards the front of the mat, coming back into a lunge, and journey back into your downward facing dog. Lower the left leg down, coming into pigeon pose. Keep your body upright at first, finding length and lift through the spine. And then walk the hands out, maybe bringing the forehead down to rest on a fist. Try to soften your belly and connect with your breathing. Notice how the sensation has changed over time. Press up onto the hands, pushing back into downward facing dog, changing sides, lowering the right leg up between the hands. Push your body up through the hands, staying upright, finding lift and extension through the spine. Maybe resting the forehead on the fist. Soften the belly and connect to your breath. Push up through the hands. And this time you're just going to rest down on that right hip. Bring your left hand to the leg behind you to carry it around. Coming to lay down on your back. And bending the knees. Keep the feet flat on the mat. And then allow the knees to rest inward as you heel toe the feet as wide as the mat. Resting one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Push through the elbows to lift the chest and snuggle the shoulders back and down so that you feel every part of your spine laying flush with the ground. Take this moment to just connect with the energy we've cultivated in this practice. Roll over to rest on your left side in a casual fetal position. And then using your hands, push yourself on up to an easy seat, sitting cross-legged. Bring the hands to prayer right in front of your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you are happy, well, and at peace. And I will see you all next time.